I'm Windows 7, and as of January 14th, 2020, I will not be supported, but it is currently not January 14th, so today I am still fighting viruses and getting security updates. What's that? Viruses? Let me at it. There, dead. Ooh, what's this I see? Security updates. I need that. Now I'm even stronger. But January 14th, 2020, security updates will be no more. Viruses. Now I have a virus. That's right, everyone. So, on January 14th, 2020, Windows 7 will die. I am going to show you guys how you can survive the Windows 7 apocalypse. Step 1. Upgrade to Windows 10. That is the most secure thing you can do for your computer. It sounds awful because no one really likes Windows 10, but it is probably the best thing you can do for your computer. And guess what? You can also do it for free. Oh, look, a copy of Windows 10 Professional. Perfect to upgrade. Hi, how much will a copy of Windows 10 Professional cost? $200. Okay, just hold on a minute. Here's all the money I have. Thank you, sir. Enjoy your copy of Windows 10 Professional. Back to my car with my new copy of Windows 10 Professional. I feel like I got robbed. Does Windows 10 Professional really have to cost $200? No, it does not. In fact, you can get Windows 10 Pro for free as long as you have a legal copy of Windows 7 Pro, Windows 8 Pro, or Windows 8.1 Pro. If you have Windows 7 Home Basic or Home Premium, you will get Windows 10 Home. If you have Windows 8 or 8.1 Home, you will get Windows 10 Home. And for every edition, like if you have Windows 7 Enterprise, you'll get Windows 10 Enterprise, and so on and so on. So I am now going to show you how to get Windows 10 for free.
Hello everyone. So like I said, I'm going to show you how you can upgrade for free from Windows 7 to Windows 10 as part of my Windows 7 Post-2020 survival guide. So I have loaded the Windows 10 installation media, so we're going to click on it and run setup.exe. Now here it is preparing the setup, and now here it says get updates, drivers, and optional features. I'm going to say not right now, but I would suggest that you say download updates, drivers, and optional features. I'm not going to right now, but oh, this is actually the same virtual machine that I've already set up as my Windows 7 tribute video that you'll see on the 14th. I've already made that video because, well, I already said this before, I didn't have enough time to, I won't have enough time to do it on the 14th, so I made it now. So, I'm just going to go with not right now, and yeah, sure, why not? So, I checked. I want to help make the installation of Windows better. You don't have to. That doesn't matter. So then just hit next. And now it's checking your PC compatibility and if it's an operating system that you can upgrade from easily. Now it says we're getting a few things ready. And now here it has the license agreement. So I'm just going to hit accept. And now it's making sure you're ready to install. This may take a few minutes. And now here it says what needs your attention. It says that my VMware SVGA 3D isn't compatible with Windows 10, but I had this same issue when I've upgraded off camera, when I upgraded from Windows XP to Windows Vista, and it said that the display driver wasn't compatible, and it was plenty compatible. It worked just fine. So we're gonna assume that this works, and we'll see what happens. I'm pretty sure it'll work okay, but we'll see what happens. So now here it says ready to install. You won't be able to use your PC while Windows installs. Save and close your files before you begin. To recap, you've chosen to install Windows 10 Pro, given that this is the professional version of Windows 7, and keep personal files and apps. So to show you that this works, I'm going to minimize this window. I'm going to go into Notepad. I'm going to type in like this is a document, and we're going to save it as doc.txt. It says install Windows 10 Pro, keep personal files and apps, so we're going to hit install. Now here it says installing Windows 10. Your PC will restart several times. This might take a while. 0% complete. So yeah, I'll come back once we're at the next portion of setup. And now it has restarted, and now it says working on updates. So again, this might take a while, so I'll come back once this portion is done. And now here, as you guys can see, we are now at the Windows 10 desktop. So, and we just sign in with the same password we used in Windows 7. And now it's setting up more stuff. Got some updates for your PC and all that stuff. And now just sit back, relax, and wait some more. And now here it says choose privacy settings for your device. Microsoft puts you in control of your privacy. Yeah, right. So I'm gonna shut all these off because I don't like it when Windows spies on me. And now here, as you can see, we are at the Windows 10 desktop. Let me change the screen resolution. And there we go. And to show you that that document saved, go in here in Documents. The document is right here from the one I made in Windows 7 to show you that your stuff will cross over into Windows 10. Hope this helped.
So now say, I really don't want to do that. That's going to take way too long and I don't have the time. Well, that's fine. You can buy yourself some extra time if you get the extra 3 years of support from Microsoft. But that will cost you. I believe that'll cost you about $300. And that is only for volume licensed professional and enterprise users. So for those with Home Edition, I'm sorry, that is not an option. And so the third thing you can do is even though Windows 7 is dying, Microsoft Security Essentials will be supported, I believe, until 2023, so you still have some protection, but that is not recommended, as an antivirus cannot patch the operating system. That only sort of protects it from viruses, but not fully. Guys, editing Nathan here. There was one thing that I forgot to add in the video that I wanted to add right now. So, say you want to run some programs that is not compatible with Windows 10 and only works on Windows 7. Well, what you can do is you can set up a virtual machine with Windows 7. But just as long as you don't put any very important information in there, you should be safe. And if it just so happens to get a virus, your main computer will not be affected, and the virtual machine, if you use snapshots, you can easily revert it back to a previous state where it was not damaged. So, now back to the main video. So, I hope this guide helps, and if you're still running Windows 7 and you're saying, but Nathan, I don't have the money or the time to do any of that, well, all I can say is, good luck on your journey with Windows 7 post-2020, but please don't do that, because you can get major viruses and data loss, and it can be very, very dangerous. So I hope this helps you all. Thanks for watching. Stay awesome. Bye.